Good afternoon, my name is Ellington, and today I'll be discussing how to effectively use Quizlet. So I've put the link for the Quizlet class that we all need to join inside the giant Excel sheet. All you need to do is basically click the link and you should be able to join it. These are currently all the sets that we have now, but we're trying to, let's see. So some of the many options that we can use to effectively study is these options up here: learn, flashcards, write, spell, test, match, gravity. But really the things that we should be focusing on is either write, just basically write or learn, in case it's like a long quote like these that you need to be able to recite effectively. Or if it's something simple, let me go back. Simple and short that we need to be able to recall quickly and be able to do on the spot, like the FTP chain of command, be able to recognize faces and positions. We can do a match or a gravity option that will allow us to effectively identify stuff quicker. So for match, which I have the #1 time for, this allows us to identify, okay, who's the India flight commander? I'm pretty sure it's Ponder. And boom. It's much faster, and it should be faster. Let's see. There's also a gravity option for in case you want to type stuff quickly. Easy, medium, hard, let's go. Start game. And for this, it's just another option. You really don't have to use any of this, but we're trying to establish a flight competition where the teams with the fastest times or the highest score might win something. So here you would type in standard, I can't spell. Standardization officer, and you get points for that. Really